Philippine Islands Adventure Milu USA here, we're getting ready to rake the yard, actually outside our yard, only because the leaves, we don't want it to go to the storm drainage, to clog up the storm drainage. So we're gonna sweep, we're gonna rake all that leaves. And yes, it is cold out here, but you know, it has to be done. So it's late in the afternoon, well actually early evening now. You know, it gets dark faster now in the fall, so we haven't seen the sun in a long time. I lied, I saw a little bit of it today. And Buttercup said, shout out to you, said that it's supposed to rain tomorrow for the few days, and so that's why we gotta clean this up before it starts raining hard. We're halfway done. We don't mind, it gives us something to do and exercise, you know.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'd be sad to say I'm sorry, so lie, pretend that you're okay, swear that you will stay, keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies, don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide, don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize, and so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie. Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead end flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs, too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. We're just like halfway done. We still have the whole right here where I'm standing yard to do tomorrow, and hopefully it doesn't rain hard so we can finish it. But at least that part there outside is done, but the other part outside is not done yet, so I still have to sweep that one. That way the leaves doesn't clog up the storm drainage outside. So, and that's why we had to do it. But anyway, I don't mind doing it. We don't mind doing it. It's good for the garden. So thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching.